Today, we will teach you how to use our general communication protocol debugging software. Here are the detailed steps. First, we need to select the appropriate port and the correct baud rate. Typically, our factory set baud rate is 9600. You can click Get to obtain the address. But usually, if the sensor is working normally, clicking Open will automatically obtain the address. Under the 3-axis tab, you can select the desired data types, including angle, magnetism, gravitational acceleration, and angular acceleration. Select Angle, and click Start to get the current angle status. The aircraft model next to it will change according to the angle variations. After you click Start, you can choose a file to save the data here. Enter the file name and storage path respectively. Then click Save to continuously store the data. To open the specific storage directory, click Open Storage Path. Uncheck Start to stop saving. Click 9-axis. To select the desired frequency. And check the data types you need. Now, let's check angle and gravitational acceleration. Then click Start. The sensor will continuously acquire these data. The storage method for 9-axis is the same as that for 3-axis. Select the storage path here. Enter the file name. And click Save to start saving. Click again to stop saving. Click Open Storage Path to access the storage directory. Click COM Debug to open the serial port debugging tool. Click Activate and send the required commands here. This is the checksum calculator for the general communication. For example, enter 77040001F. And the checksum will be calculated automatically. Click Set to configure the device address. Enter the address first. Then click Set. A prompt indicating successful setting will appear. And the sensor address will be updated to the one you set. Finally, click Save in the bottom right corner to confirm. You can also configure the baud rate and zero type here. Absolute zero uses the factory calibrated ground horizontal plane as the 0 point. Relative zero uses the current angle as the 0 point. For example, if the current x-axis angle is 52 degrees. Setting relative zero will reset the current angle to 0. Switching back to absolute zero will restore the original angle. For the output mode, you can set either response mode or automatic output mode. For example, set an automatic output frequency of 5 Hz. The sensor will automatically output data at 5 Hz. However, if using RS-485, it is not recommended to use the automatic output mode, because RS-485 operates in half-duplex. Additional settings include magnetic declination products with a magnetometer and alarm settings. Exclusive to Tilt Switch series products. For example, if you want to set the magnetic declination to 5 degrees, enter it here. For analog products. We support 4 axes. For instance, set X plus to 15 degrees and X to 15 degrees. The sensor's measurement range will be plus or minus 15 degrees. Note that settings here do not accept sine values. The range is determined by configuring X plus and X dash. You can select the desired analog output, but it is not possible to switch from current output to voltage output, or vice versa. The query function allows you to retrieve corresponding data as needed. Magnetic calibration, exclusive to electronic compass products. Currently, only plain calibration is available. Please follow the instructions here and the accompanying animation to perform the calibration.